Hi guys, welcome to SMT once again. Today we want to look at Olympiad indices, and as you can see now, this is 2 raised to power x plus 2 raised to power minus x is equal to 5. This can be done in 5 seconds. Now let's move into it. Now 2 raised to power x plus 2 raised to power minus x is equal to what? 5. Now put 2 raised to power x to be what? Letter t. Then 2 raised to power minus x will be what? 1 over t. That's law of what? Indices. That is, this minus change to division. Now let's move on. It will be t plus 1 over t is equals to what? 5. Now you multiply through by what? Letter t, because this leads to what? Fraction. So now have t squared plus 1 is equals to what? 5t. That's what you shall have. Now you now have t squared minus 5t plus 1 is equals to 0. Now this leads to what? Quadratic equation. All you need to do now is to use what? Formula. Now if you should use formula, you have x is equals to minus b plus or minus square root b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. So from this expression now you can say a is equals to 1, b is equals to minus 5, and c is equals to 1. Now wherever you see ABC in this formula, you shall substitute. So s is equals to minus 5 plus or minus square root minus 5 squared minus 4 times 1 times 1 all over what? 2a. So s is equals to what? 5 plus or minus square root 25 minus 4 over 2. Now s is equals to 5 plus or minus square root 21 over 2. Recall that we are putting 2 raised to power s to be t. So you now have 2 raised to power s is equals to 5 plus or minus square root 21 all over 2. So you take log 2 of both sides to get x. So now I have log 2 raised to power s is equals to what? 5 plus or minus square root 21 all over 2. So now I have s is equals to, now 5 plus or minus, it will be what? Log 2, into bracket 5 plus or minus square root 21 all over 2. This is what you have. Though this is supposed to be the final answer, but you can still simplify it more than that. So you now have s is equals to log 2, 5 plus or minus. This is what? 4.83. If you should find the square root divided by what? 2. So which is log 2 into brackets 9.83 divided by what? 2. So you shall have log 2 into brackets 4 point, 1. That's what? 9. 2 in 9, 4. Remember 1. In 18, 9. 1. That's what you shall have. Then if you should find log 2 of this, now you now have 2.26. But remember that we are dealing with plus or what? Minus, or minus 2.26. Did you see that? See it now? As simple as that. So for more Olympiad indices tricks like this, I want you to watch, like, subscribe, and share. Then if you want me to solve this on graph, please, I want you to drop it in the comment section. You shall receive a love icon, and I will gladly proceed and do it or plot it on the graph for you. Then if these tricks now help you, please like, subscribe, and share for more Olympiad maths trick. Bye bye.